few little quick tips about getting the most success when planting plants and establishing them and looking them after them for the first year. So we always recommend people plant with a slow release fertiliser. So something like this Osmocote for natives is great. It will actually feed the plant for 8 to 9 months. So it just goes in the bottom of the hole, mix it in, your plant goes on top, and that will feed the plant for up to 9 months, which it's almost set and forget from a nutrition point of view, which is great. Now we're using quite a coarse mulch here too. You don't have to mulch anything, but by putting a good thick layer, 75mm to 100mm mulch down, it will prevent the soil from drying out. It'll help stop weeds coming up as well. But it is important just to keep it a little bit away from the plant. It's good to have it back away, but if it's up right against the plant, you end up with a bit of stem rot, which is no good. The other important thing to consider, particularly in Perth, is our very sandy soils. It can become very hydrophobic, which means it basically repels the water. So when you water, I'm sure we've all seen that, it pools and runs off everywhere. So a soil wetter can be a great way to overcome that. We just pop a little bit on as per the application, and what it is it acts like a detergent and will actually bubble up, breaks the soil water tension down and lets the water penetrate. It's really important to give it a good drink, like a really good drink. So we're talking sort of at least a litre of water. It gets the air pockets out, makes good contact with the roots of the soil, and it will give your plant the best chance at establishing really well.